Hello friends, this is Road to IIT and today we are going to start a new chapter, that is Parabola. See, this is an important chapter but not much important as the previously covered topics, but still important because if you go through the past previous years JEE mains and advanced paper, there are at least one questions out of these three topics: parabola, ellipse and hyperbola. Mostly they are asking about parabola, then they go for ellipse and hyperbola. So let's get started. So first of all, what is parabola? So see, for parabola, eccentricity, that is the ratio of, let's say we say, what is eccentricity first of all? Let's say we say S be the focus, V the vertex and Zm be the directrix. So this is the one of the parabolas. This is a directrix. P is a point on the parabola and S is the focus. Now what is parabola? What is eccentricity? If we take the ratio of this SP by PM, that means focus to the point to the perpendicular to the directrix. If we take the ratio and we have SP by PM as 1 in the parabola. Okay, that means this both sequence must be same in the parabola, and the ellipse eccentricity is less than 1 and in the hyperbola eccentricity is greater than 1. So as we know, S be the focus, V be the vertex, Zm be the directrix and x-axis be the axis of parabola. Here you can see this is the x-axis. This is a very basic thing, we all know that, still I am going to cover this. And P be the point which moves so that the distance from the S is always equals to PM. As I told you, it must be equals to PM, that is it's perpendicular to the distance from the Zm. Now let's say S, the coordinate of S is a comma 0 because it's on x-axis. So SP is equal to PM, that means SP square is equal to PM square. And this is one type of derivation. So if we use the distance formula between SP and PM, then SP, this point, let's say x comma y, this points, let's say this is x comma y, this is my point coordinate of P. Now if I apply the distance formula, then x minus a whole square plus y square, similarly for this, x minus a whole square plus y square is equals to a plus x whole square. The equation for directrix is x is equals to minus a for this particular type of parabola. We are going to cover this in this video. X is equals to minus a, it is the directrix for this type of parabola. So this coordinate becomes minus a comma this coordinate, that is y. So y minus y is 0. So we left with x, a plus x whole square, and if you simplify this, you have y square is equal to 4x. This is the general form of standard equation of parabola with axis as a positive x-axis. If there is a negative x-axis is the main x, then y square is equal to minus 4ax. Now if we have vertex other than 0, 0, instead of 0, 0, say it's x0, y0, then the standard form is y minus y0 whole square is equals to 4a x minus x0. This is the standard equation. Okay. Now if the axis is on the y-axis, then the standard equation is x square is equals to 4ay. Okay. Now see, this is a very basic table. We all know this all the stuff that I am telling you this time. Y square is equal to 4x, that means positive x-axis, positive negative x-axis, positive y-axis and negative y-axis. Vertex 0, 0 for the same. Focus is going to be changed. For positive it's a comma 0. For negative x-axis it's minus a comma 0. For positive y-axis it's 0 comma a, and for negative y-axis it's 0 comma minus a. Equation of directrix is always the opposite side of the parabola. So here parabola is in the positive side, so directrix must be on the negative side. So here it becomes x is equals to minus a. Similarly, x is equals to a for negative, y is equals to minus a for this, and y is equals to a. Equation of the x, that means that belongs to which axis. So it becomes y is equals to 0, that is x-axis. For both of this both are on x-axis, and this both are on y-axis. Okay. So for that x is equal to 0. equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. And tangent, see, if you see this point, this is vertex, so tangent becomes y-axis. So that means tangent becomes x is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 is tangent for this 2, and y is equal to 0 is tangent for this 2. Okay, so this is a very basic stuff, we all know that. So what is the conclusion? Conclusion, that is vertex is equals to 0, 0. Directrix is x is equals to minus a. Axis is y is equals to 0, that is x-axis. Focus is a, 0. Now this is a very important thing, lattice rectum and the endpoints of lattice rectum. Now what is lattice rectum? See, this is, if you see this focus, then the line perpendicular to the focus, this L dash is called lattice rectum, and its length is 4, a. Its length is 4, a, and its endpoint, if we have this focus is a, 0. So this is perpendicular. So x coordinate for the L and L dash must be same, that is a, a, and the y coordinate is 2a here, and it's minus 2a. Now if you apply the distance formula, then a minus a whole square plus 2a minus 2a whole square, that is 4a. So that how the length of lattice rectum defined, that is 4a, and the endpoints are a, 2a and a, minus 2a. See, you just have to remember this thing, and you have to keep the changes in mind according to the 4 different parabolas. Okay, so this is all we know in the boards, in the regular exams. This is all important thing, tangent to the parabola. Now see, tangent must be at some particular point. If we know the point, let's say it's x1, y1, then the equation of tangent is y, y1 is equals to 2a in the bracket x plus x1. Now if we don't know the formula, then we have to, if we don't know the point, then we have to take a point on the parabola. Now for that, let's say if we take this point, then the point must be a t square, here it is written at square, 280. Why? Because this is parametric equations for the parabola. And if we take at square, 280, then the equation becomes this, ty is equals to x plus at square. This is a very important equation, ty is equals to x plus at square. I just put the value of y1 and x1 in this equation, and I will get this. So you just have to remember this particular equation, y1 is equals to 2a x plus x1. If you don't know the point, then take a point at square, 280. Okay, now if we talk about the slope of the tangent, then here this is a x coordinate, this is x coordinate, and this is y coordinate. Now if we take dx by dt, then dx by dt becomes 2at, correct, 2at, this is dx by dt. Okay, if we take dy by dt, then dy by dt becomes 2a. Now for dy by dx, we have to take the ratio of dy by dt upon dx by dt, that is 2a by 2at, that is 1 by t. So 1 by t is the slope of tangent of the parabola. Okay, so remember this, 1 by t is the slope of tangent. This is also important. Now why I am going to cover this, because this is a very important. See, today we are going to solve one example based on this. This question is asked in JEE 2015. What we have here is, we have the question that the slope of the line touching both the parabolas y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to minus 32y is. Now y square is equal to 4x, that is positive x-axis, the parabola which is on positive x-axis. X square is equal to minus 32y, that is parabola on the negative y-axis. Okay, so I just draw out the figure, because figure is always important. This is the y square is equal to 4x, x square is equal to minus 30y, and this is the common tangent passing through both of this. Now as this is a common tangent, it touch at the point B and A. Now I don't know the points here, so I take out the assumption at square, 2at. Now what is A? If we compare with the general equation y square is equal to 4ax, then for a is equals to 4, so a is equals to 1. So at square comma 2at, it becomes t square comma 2t. Okay. Now equation of tangent at the point t square comma 2t is, we know that yt plus x plus t square. From this, ty plus x plus at square. Here ty plus x plus at square. So a is 1, so yt is equals to x plus t square. So this is the equation at first tangent, at the first curve, y square is equal to 4x. But it is also tangent to this, so it must be satisfying this equation also. So, and this tangent is also a tangent to x square plus 32y is equals to 0 at b. So what I do, I just put the value of y, that is x by t plus t. T goes here, so x by t plus t. Put this value in this equation and just simplify this, and I will get the answer of t. And if I get the t, then 1 by t is the slope, and we gave the slope. Okay. So what I do, x square is here, plus is here, 32 is here, and y is equals to x by t plus t is equals to 0. Now I just have to simplify this, x square plus 32x upon t plus 32t. Now this is a quadratic equation. Here t must be same for all both, because tangent is same, because the slope is same. So the discriminant must be 0. Now discriminant, that is b square 32 upon t whole square minus 4a, that is 1 here, and c, that is plus 32. So 32 upon t whole square minus 4 into 32t is equals to 0. Discriminant is 0. Now 32 as a common, so I left with 32 by t square minus 4t is equals to 0. Now if I simplify this t square goes here, so 4t cube. So 32 minus 4t cube is equals to 0. So t cube is equals to 8. So t is equals to t is equals to 2. And that means the slope of tangent, as I explained earlier, that is 1 by t. So slope is 1 by 2. Okay. So this is a good example based on the tangent of parabola. So this is all about today's video. Still I'm going to post one more video on the parabola. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to share it and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.